So at this junction, I want to move on to, go back to data science and the libraries we need for data science. In data science, we make use of these libraries. NumPy. We use NumPy for numerical computing, for calculations. Probably you want to find root of equations, sum of numbers, addition of matrices, Fourier series, a lot of things can be done with NumPy. Now pandas, we use pandas for data analysis properly now. We're going to make every use of pandas. But the old data science is more of NumPy and pandas, or even more of pandas. So we use pandas to make our data to be in tabular form. So we're going to use data frame in pandas. Then let's come to matplotlib. Matplotlib. In matplotlib, we make use of matplotlib for visualization. Now I will talk about Seaborn together with matplotlib. Both of them, they are for visualization, to plot charts and so on. SciPy is for scientific computing. Some of the things we use in pandas, we also make use of them in SciPy. Then we have scikit-learn and Keras. Both of them, they are for machine learning. They are machine learning tools to build models. The same thing goes for TensorFlow, Theano, and PyTorch. They are all machine learning and deep learning tools. So these are the tools we are going to make use of, and we are going to install them. Then let's talk about data science integrated development environment. We need to talk about the integrated development environment where we are going to be doing our data science. I have Anaconda. So if you know how to use Anaconda, I would recommend it. But we are going to stick to Jupyter Notebook. And that is why we are going to install Jupyter. And if you pass through my training on Python basics, definitely you must have installed some of these tools. Jupyter, VS Code. We also have VS Code, Google Colab. That is online. We have DataSpell and PyCharm. It is interesting to tell you that Jupyter and VS Code can be used offline. They can be used offline. So I would recommend two of them. We are going to make use of two of them in this class. So we are going to install the IDE and the libraries. So how do you do that? You are going to launch your command prompt. You are going to launch your command prompt like this. And when you launch your command prompt, you are going to do what we call pip install each of them. Now these ones that are bold, we may not install them now, but definitely we are going to install 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to do like this. Pip in small letter, please. Pip install NumPy, pandas. Well, in the notes, I said I put them line by line, but the truth is that you can install them with a single line. You can install them with a single line, and this is how you do it. Just separate them with space. Pandas, what else? That is a SciPy. Then we have a matplotlib. Then we have a Seaborn. So these are the essential ones. For now, as the training goes on, we may have to install some other ones. Okay? So, by the time you press enter, if you have internet, then the installation will go. Okay. It's warning me retrying because I don't have internet, and it's even telling me that the requirement is already satisfied because I've installed some of them. So if you have installed them, this is the message you have. Okay, how do I know? Let me clear the screen. CLS. How do I know that I have installed them? I will do pip list. So you have to do pip list. You have to do pip list. And when you do pip list, you scroll up, you are going to see all of them. I virtually have all the data science and machine learning tools that I need. I've installed them. So this is the list where you check whether you have actually installed them. And we can see, I just want to be sure, you can see Jupyter. This is Jupyter here. Okay, let me scroll down. You can see Keras, though we have not started installing Keras. You can see Matplotlib. Now, you'll be wondering, when did you install so many like this? By the time you install one, they have associated libraries that come with them. That is why there are so many. So the installation of one may lead to installation of another. So automatically, you can see NumPy here. Even Jupyter Notebook is here. You can see Pandas. Pandas is here, and so on. So this is what we do. Now, in the next section of this training, we are going to start using these tools for our data science. We are going to start with NumPy specifically. I want to thank you for listening.